Kusazangpola everyone, Denker's Getaway is here in Samdrup Jongkhar. Of all the places that I've been to and visited, one of the thing that stands out in Samdrup Jongkhar is neither the food nor the place, it is the beer. SJ. SERJA Beer. So today I am visiting the plant factory here in Samdrup Jongkhar, which is located just across the border, India-Bhutan border, and it has been such an honor for me that I got permitted to visit the factory. So let's go and see how one of my favorite beer is manufactured. So, how did I come to know about SERJA? It's so embarrassing, but let's be truthful. A Chile friend of mine introduced me to SERJA. I swear, initially I thought SERJA must be some imported beer, but they said it's made in Bhutan beer. So I checked out and I found out that the factory is here in Samdrup Jongkhar. Also, everyone's favorite, the price. It's comparatively cheaper than the other beer in town. So let's go and get to know more about SERJA. Come. So right now what's happening is the packaging of the SERJA just before going out and about in the town, and I was just interacting with the workers here. Most of them are Bhutanese. In fact, the office told me that more than 85% of people who are working here at SERJA are Bhutanese, which is quite commendable actually, because having this factory located at the border town of India, the management could have easily hired the foreign laborers, but they have chosen to instead support Bhutanese, and that also Bhutanese youth. So today when you come to SERJA, you will see so many young Bhutanese working at the production. They're hands-on at the field, and this I think is very admirable. So after being in factory for almost an hour, I finally get to smell the aroma of the beer, because at this corner you actually see filling of the beer in the can gala. So after this, then only it goes to packaging. I mean, it's never too early to have a sip or a pint of beer, right? So why not straight from the factory there? That's it. Jindagi ka chi love mo. Now, this is what I call straight from the factory SERJA. Cheers. Wow. SERJA it is. So, one reason why people prefer SERJA beer is because of its carefully selected ingredients. Unlike other beers in town, SERJA has no added sugar. Literally, no added sugar, making it a healthier choice for those who appreciates a cleaner and more natural taste. Pasteurized benegi theka beru, clean benegi theka beru, nanam sabi maintain bedo se nasagi sundu ime. Also made with premium French malt, SERJA beer brings international standard to your glass.
Factory the sub bending mo madam. Gara clean everything well and good.
And in addition to him, Nagi factory, I think it's truly made in Bhutan. Even the architecture of the factory is Bhutanese centric. Factories, you know what I mean? Like the moment we think of factory, we think of giant structure, all cemented, big poles and stuff. Whereas SERJA ki factory di chim zumbe du chikalita mo chim zumbe factory zumbe mindu se junevi the nazi home tao de chan zumbe zodi du se. So guys, besides the canned beer, they also have bottled beer, and it comes like this. SERJA, I feel like these bottles must be going as far as the villages, because people there prefer bottled beer. Although SERJA beer is a relatively new product in Bhutan, I feel its entry into the market brings healthy competition and provides consumers with more options for locally made beverages from Bhutan. So guys, after touring for almost an hour, finally I get to drink properly with permission. So Mr. Hemant is the control manager here. Sir, tell us, what are we doing now?
Now we are going to pour the beer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, on top.
Okay.
And open the can.
Okay. Oh, look at that. Wait, is this a good sign?
Yeah, good sign. You can pour it now. We do.
Okay, let's.
And then you wait. And we see the foam should be compact, thick,
Let's.
and it should be having a good height.
Oh, so that's how you know
Yeah,
whether
that's
the
what.
beer.
Yeah, that's what we do. And then we see the clarity, color,
Let's.
and then you can just take a.
And what's the difference between this red and the yellow?
This,
Oh, we could actually pour it. Oh, it's all. You could.
So
Oh,
this is a mild beer.
Let's.
One which you are holding is a mild beer.
Okay.
That is alcohol is around 4.6%.
Yes.
And what I'm holding is a strong beer, 6.5% alcohol, volume of volume.
Yeah. So this is the red one, and the one I'm holding is the yellow one. So I'll let Sir take the honor to drink the stronger one. And
Cheers.
cheers to Serja.
First thing is SERJA beer is a very refreshing,
Yes.
and in terms of aroma, flavor, and it gives a nice feeling,
Mm-hmm.
and the bitterness is very appealing.
Yes.
Okay, that's a good thing.
Mm-hmm.
And it is not very strong as well.
Yes.
It is smooth. You can drink as much you can, especially it's a light beer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and it's a good appetizer as well. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and then it makes your day great.
Wow. Yeah, indeed. Bye. Cheers.